The manufacturers of the Hygea recommend that the user performs the aluminium foil test on a monthly basis. The purpose of the test is to make sure that the ultrasonic activity throughout the bath is consistent. The test is an HTM Hole 105 requirement, but the manufacturer recommends that it's done on a monthly basis rather than a quarterly basis. To carry out this test, you'll need an isopharm foil test kit, ultrasonic cleaner logbook, and a sachet of sonatine detergent. All these products are available from Isopharm. The test requires you to suspend strips of aluminium foil into the Hygea bath. First, measure the depth of the water in the tank. Take the reel of foil from your Isopharm foil test kit and cut a length of foil that is 12 centimeters longer than the depth of the water in the bath. Roll up one end of the foil strip so that the remaining length is as long as the depth of the bath. The roll at the end will help to weigh down the strip in the solution. Although not referred to in HTM 0105, you can also attach a paper clip to the roll to add further weight. Measure 1 centimeter at the other end of the foil strip and bend into an L shape. The Hygea will require a total of 9 foil strips. Before the test can be performed, the Hygea will need to be prepared. Remove any furniture, such as the basket, from the bath. Add water, a sachet of sonatine detergent, and then close the lid to run a degas cycle. The Hygea will automatically run the degas cycle when the lid closes. Degas removes all the gases present in the solution to create a more effective cleaning process. The Hygea will also heat up the solution. Once the degas cycle is complete, open the lid. Take a reel of masking tape from the kit and place 3 strips evenly spaced along the length of the tank. Place another 3 strips vertically, creating a 3x3 grid over the tank. Number each intersection. This is so that you will be able to identify later which foil strip was positioned in which area of the bath. Place a strip of foil at each intersection. The strips are positioned to provide an even test across the entire tank. Once all the test strips are in place, close the lid. The normal cycle for the Hygea is 10 minutes. However, to perform the foil test on this specific machine, the manufacturer recommends that the test is run over 1 minute. 1 minute is not adequate for cleaning your instruments, but it is enough for this test. We've removed the lid so that you can see the cavitations begin to erode the edges of the foil. Running the cycle for longer will erode the foil completely and result in no evidence for the test. When the cycle is complete, lift the lid. Carefully remove each strip, making sure that you place them down in the order marked at the intersection. A pass result is indicated by a similar amount of erosion on the edges of all foil strips. This indicates a uniformity of ultrasonic activity within the bath. A fail result is indicated by little or no erosion on one or more of the foil strips. If a foil strip has not been eroded, this indicates a possible dead area of the bath that is achieving little or no ultrasonic activity. The Isopharm range of logbooks provide you with all the record tables needed to comply. Record the cycle number or the time of the test and what test was used. In this instance, the foil test. Record the batch number of the foil and whether the test was a pass or fail. A signature of who carried out the test is also required. At the back of the record sheet, the strips of foil should be taped in order of location in the bath. The aluminium foil test, although a very hands-on test, is an extremely good method of testing for ultrasonic activity. If the bath fails this test, then an engineer may be required to inspect. Before calling an engineer, there are some aspects of the test that can be checked. A specific HTM grade foil should be used. Foil from the supermarket is often too thin or too thick and will represent misleading results. During the test, were the foil strips hanging down in the bath or floating on the surface? If the strips are not weighted, they can rise to the top of the tank away from the ultrasonic activity and cause a failed result. If you found this video useful, please feel free to share it with your colleagues. If you have any questions about this video, you can contact our compliance team on this number. Visit our website and you can also sign up for online CPD.